Y'all hear that?
It does burble, man. For stock exhaust.
As Jay would say, I removed the roof, ninja, let the sun shine in. Gotta have that, bruh. We gotta have that. We gotta have this opened up so y'all can see what's up, because this joint, the windows are like mad tinted, bro. Like, I have no idea how they get away with this. I swear to goodness I don't. But anyway, man, enough of looking at how beautiful the car is. Yeah, we get the point. It's pretty. But, you know, I know what y'all want to see, man. I know y'all want to see what's goody. What's goody? How the joint drive. So that's what we about to jump into right now. It's buttons galore up in here. All right, man. So time to jump in to this brand new 2019 Lamborghini truck, man. I don't even know what they call this thing, bro.
URUS.
URUS, right. Right, I couldn't remember. It totally slipped my mind just now what they call this truck. Yeah, that's right, it's called the, ooh, you know what, we gonna have to crack the windows a little bit. You know what I mean? It might not be the best for sound, but we want y'all to hear that motor a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Y'all hear that
It does burble, man. For stock exhaust.
Okay. Hello. Hello, darling, my old friend. Now listen, I'm about to blow y'all mind real quick. A lot of y'all gonna get mad at me. But because of the partnership with Lamborghini, Volkswagen, Porsche, this car is actually a Panamera turbo. That's why it has the same 4.0 liter twin turbo V8 making 641 horsepower, made it to the same type of transmission as the Panamera. Basically, man, they the same exact car with the underpinnings, the underneath, but that's a good thing. You know why? As y'all guys know, that we have the first gen Panny, and the first gen Panny is sexy as they come, man. This right here is the revised version, and the revised version with the Lamborghini on top, it's like icing on cake, my man. Icing on cake. I just love the feeling of everything too, man. The materials is top notch. That's what you get from the Volkswagen, Audi, Lamborghini product tree. It's pretty much all the same, you know what I mean? But we gonna tiptoe, because we still in Queens right now. If you guys are wondering where the hell we got this car from, well, you remember that Rolls Royce Cullinan that we was in the other day, and the guy was letting us check out from VMA Auto Collision? Well, this is his Lamborghini URUS. So yeah, my man got some toys, man. The toys are on deck wholeheartedly, and know people. And I'm watching like every little step. So let's talk about modifications, because as you know, we don't do nothing stock. Nothing is stock that we do. So as you already see, the windows is all blacked out. I'm pretty sure you saw along the lines of the diffuser. It was all color matched with the nice little thin red stripes on the diffuser. Then you looked over and you saw on the fender the Lamborghini Tricolore, whatever, man. I ain't Italian. I'm American, damn it. And then the piece that, you know, you all see when you first see the truck are these 24-inch Forgiato wheels, of course wrapped on none other than our partner's tires, Vredestein. Vredestein on here looking pretty with the 24s, and it's developed specifically with this vehicle in mind. That's perfect, man, because you still get that, you know, beautiful ride in comfort mode, and then you still get that in sport mode. You still get, you know, the tightness, and then in Corsa, you ready to hit the track, baby. You ready to make it happen. All right, man, so, woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. I tell you what, though, in sport mode with the baffles open, it sounds really good. As a matter of fact, let's break it down a little bit. Let's go on down to first. As soon as we pass over a couple of these bumps in Queens, we'll squeeze on it a little bit just for y'all. Just because y'all asked for it. Woo-hoo! Lord. Yo, man, this don't make no sense in an SUV. With the top speed that this SUV is able to achieve, it makes it one of the fastest production SUVs out today. So I know you're probably asking yourself, you know, why the hell did Lamborghini get into the SUV game? You know, what does Lamborghini care about SUV? Well, if you notice, companies like Ford are no longer going to be making cars outside of the Mustang. GM no longer going to be making cars. It's because, especially in America, we drive SUVs. It's what everyone wants. So if you want to take advantage of a market that's booming, you have a very exclusive brand that everyone wants, then what do? You create that product. So Lamborghini, this is their second SUV, actually. They had one before, the original one. When we went to Motor Envy, you can click that link there, but when we went to Motor Envy, they had one in the shop. It's showing right now. That was the original Lamborghini SUV. This is the second one that they've done, but this one is more for the general consumer. What the hell is that? I think that's a train. It is. Look at the train coming through. That's pretty dope. I was like, yo, what is that loud ass horn? Y'all see the train? As a second go round, man, I would say that Lamborghini knocked this one out of the park. They did a great job. Everyone that has them seems to be extremely happy with them. They make a statement. Eugene, when you pulled up, what'd you say, man?
It has presence.
That's the first thing Eugene said.
Yeah, it has presence on the road.
He was like, the car, as soon as you pull up and you see it, it looked like something. It looked like something special. So that's what we in right now, man. Jeez, and then the backfires, the burbles, the oh, God. Gotta love that, huh, G?
This makes no sense for my trucks to sound like this.
It's nice.
It don't make no sense.
Honestly, it doesn't feel like an SUV at all. With the exception of it sitting up high, yeah, you wouldn't know that you're driving an SUV. It feels like you're driving just a really sporty car. I can't say it enough. Coming from being an owner of a Panamera, it feels like I'm driving my Panamera. It's just lifted. That's the best way I could describe it. What do y'all think about this interior, though? In this segment of SUVs, hyper luxury, sport, I would say this is closer to sport, but if you want to put it against something, it's going to be going up against the Bentley Bentayga. It's way more expensive than the Tesla Model X, but I guess you can put it in that same realm. As far as interiors go, this right here, man, I could tell you this is really, really nice. The quilted leather seats are amazing, and it has it everywhere. then when you look at all the color combinations and the way that this particular car is spec'd out, it's just super impressive, man. The stitch dash, the Alcantara roof, the TVs in the seats. This right here is an amazing way to transport your family, man. If you got a family, this is the big look. Hey, look, you got the kids on the way, and you got a lot of money. This might be the one for you, dog. Like, legit. Cause I can't imagine any other SUV. I mean, Eugene, you tell them, man. What you think about the truck, man?
I mean, if I could,
you would.
If I could, I would get this.
It's another one you be adding.
I would be adding this to the lineup. You know what? Because it mixes luxury, it mixes exoticness, because it's not it's very rare, so it has that exotic feel.
100%.
And also, it gives you a balance of, you know, you don't, for those who are not accustomed to having a low car, but they want luxury.
Correct.
This gives them best of all those worlds in one package. Right. So you could put your wife, your girl, whatever, you know, you can have your sports car and she can have her sports truck. I mean, a real sports truck. Right. No, wait, let me take that back, because you know, other sport trucks are real too. I don't want y'all to kill me in the comments. What I mean is an exotic sports truck. This is the first one in our generation to look this way. Yeah. To have this feel. Yeah. You know, best of both worlds. So I mean, if I could, we definitely need one for the channel. It really does look one for the channel. One for the channel. One for the channel.
Hey guys, just like the Cullinan, if you guys don't want to see us in the Lambo truck? Isn't that what you want for us? And we tell you what, we got a deal. This is another one we got for you. That at the next pop-up meet, if we can get one of these because of y'all, I promise you, you can sit in it in the next pop-up meet. We'll even let you rev it. How about that? I think that's a fair deal. What you think, G? It's fair deal?
I think it's fair.
All right.
Help us get it so that y'all can rev it.
That is funny, man. But y'all see it, man. The nice 4 seats. You got even the rear seats just look like the front seats. I mean, I don't even know what else to say about this thing besides that I would take it.
You know what? I mean, I think we've had conversations before about the best rally car. Yes. Right? To go on maybe a long trip, right? This fits that bucket. Right. It could be a great rally truck / car because it has that sports feel. It has that truck, so you can feel comfortable, right? You can carry your luggage in the back. Right. You know, if you get tired, you could pull over and take a quick nap. You can't do that in a sports, in a Lamborghini.
You can't do that in a Huracan.
In a Huracan, you can't. Like you got to stop and get out the car.
Yeah, guys. So as we come to this close of this epic time that we had with y'all chilling in the Lamborghini URUS 2019, brand new. We appreciate again VMA Auto Collision for loaning us the car for a couple hours. But anyway, it's your boy Stephen here from Mod to Fame. And if you like this video, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss no more videos. But until the next one, like I said, it's Stephen here from Mod to Fame, and I'm here with my boy
Eugene
from Mod to Fame. And in this brand new 2019 Lamborghini URUS that we about to probably go get something to eat with real quick. We out.